Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we were making cookies. My mother was my assistant. And now it's time to put the cookies in the oven. 350 degrees for 11 minutes. We'll check them out. Prayerfully they taste good. Because I don't know how good they'll taste.
Certainly they're going to taste just fine.
So let's hope it is what it is, okay?
I'll step aside.
Oh Lord Jesus. Just see, this is what happens when you got your mom in the kitchen.
Okay, 1 cup.
Okay, so add 1 cup?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Got teaspoons of baking soda?
So you just like this. Nope. Just half. I don't know. Yeah, but I'm trying to tell you what
Oh,
it
no,
is.
it's oh, yes.
Thank you. Okay, come on, stop.
Watch it.
So, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at this.
I'm gonna take it.
Well, no, I'll try ingredients first. Okay. You have it really hot.
I get 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
2 tablespoons.
Right. Oh, don't put that sugar. Oh, there's some sugar.
Sugar. See? I was thinking
Oh. Brown sugar.
I took it a long time ago, so probably do something like that.
Okay, let's talk about sugar. How much sugar? You got the Reese cup still?
That's a whole, I made that so long ago. I just found that video. Well, I was over a long time ago, but I didn't post it.
So you ain't gonna come with this product?
Yeah. But that open? Okay. Oh, okay, this one.
Yeah.
You know what?
It's still like good. Maybe because it's more yeah. It's more good.
So, you've made it this far. Yeah. Do not do anything in the first part of this video. Had to find a new recipe to try out, and that's part of Taste Test Kitchen. Yeah, those cookies were a fail. So, I have 2/3 of the brown sugar, 2/3 of the regular sugar. I have 2.5 cups of flour already in my blender. So now I am to add a teaspoon of baking soda. Yep, teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon. Make sure it's a teaspoon. Teaspoon of baking soda. Okay. Teaspoon of baking powder. 2.5 teaspoons of vanilla. 1 and I like this better because the recipe had a lot more had a lot more of serving. You could serve more people with this. Had a larger serving. Half a teaspoon. This is 2/3 of coconut oil. And I had unrefined and refined, so I used most of the unrefined because I only had a certain amount, so I just topped it off with the refined and melted it down. But I add that. And I have a cup of almond milk. That's a half a cup. And then the entire bag. See, the other recipe didn't say the entire bag. It only said 1/3, which I thought wasn't enough to begin with. That's why we doubled up everything. Yeah, no, won't use the recipe again. this is more like cookie dough. That looks a heck of a lot better. Can you see that? That looks like cookie dough. The other one melted. Like the whole cookie just melted down. It was like a puddle of cookies. That's not what we want. So I'll pop these in the oven. I'm not sure how long I'm supposed to keep them. I think it's like, I don't know how long, but you'll see in the description. Press the, I hope this is the right part of the video, but press the arrow. Either it's on this side or it's on this side, but it's arrow. This, the description. Everything will be listed in there. Thank you guys. Love you. See ya. Okay, so these are how the cookies look. I'm about to pop them in the oven on 350, and I'm putting them on for, it says 11 minutes. So you'll see them when they come out. So I just took the cookies out. They look good. I'm going to let them cool and check them out, see how they taste. And then the remaining batter, excuse me, just got this frog in my throat. The remaining batter, I just rolled it out. Well, not really rolled it out, but I sectioned it and scored it off. And then I still have a little bit left. So I'm going to actually bake those because I think these aren't going to be enough. And I feel like they're really going to be tasty. So we'll see. Okay, guys, the final test. Here's my cookie. I could have left it in a little longer, but I was a little thirsty. And I didn't want it to melt like a puddle, like the last cookie. Yep. That's a chocolate chip cookie. I wish I had some different kind of chocolate chips. But this is good. Mm-hmm. Look at that. It's not zooming in. But that's a chocolate chip cookie. It tastes so much better. Okay, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Like this video. Share with your friends. See you later.